Hello crafty peeps, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I got a package from Robin I think last Saturday, and I'm just not opening it. I'm sorry, Robin. I've had my grandbaby, the 1-year-old, and he's a handful by himself, and plus we had a funeral. My husband's uncle Dot passed away, so it's been draining and stuff, so we've been tired and stuff. So but I just want to share what she sent me, and this is so cute. It's a little calendar. Oh, cute. Oh, look guys, it stands up. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Okay, it says to send something creative, to do something creative every day. Oh, that is, I'm going to keep this right here so I can try to make a goal of doing something crafty every week. I'm not going to say every day because that's not possible, but at least every week. So I'm going to keep that on my craft. That's right there. Thank you, Robin, for that. And she sent me a card. Happy New Year, y'all. Oh, I like that die. And she sent me a card, and it says, "Create happiness. Wish you all the best in 2021. Hugs, Robin." Thank you. That is a pretty card. Isn't that pretty, guys? Love the card. That is gorgeous. Oh, I even like the envelope too. Thank you, Robin, for the sweet gift mail. It's nice to get things in the mail, happy mail, unexpectedly, guys. I want to try to do that more often too. But thanks anyways for watching, and y'all have a crafty day. Bye.